Apple's smallest iPad is about to get its biggest upgrade yet, and one rumored feature could change everything. Let's take a look at the latest iPad mini 8 leaks. Number 1. Why the iPad mini is so popular. The iPad mini has always been the perfect tablet for people who want flagship performance in a compact size. Whether you're a student, traveler, gamer, or digital artist, its lightweight design makes it one of Apple's most versatile devices. Number 2. A brand new chip. According to recent industry reports, Apple is expected to equip the iPad mini 8 with the A19 Pro chip. Compared to the previous generation, users can expect faster CPU performance, improved graphics, and a much more capable neural engine for AI-powered tasks. Number 3. Apple Intelligence. One of the biggest expected upgrades is full support for Apple Intelligence. That means smarter Siri, writing tools, image playground, Genmoji, and AI-powered productivity features, making the iPad mini more useful for both work and school. Number 4. More memory. Leaks suggest Apple could increase the memory to 12 gigabytes of RAM, allowing smoother multitasking, faster app switching, and better performance when using AI features and professional apps. Number 5. Same compact display. Current reports indicate Apple will keep the 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display. While OLED isn't expected this year, Apple may improve display calibration, color accuracy, and power efficiency for a better viewing experience. Number 6. Faster connectivity. The iPad mini 8 is rumored to support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, providing faster wireless speeds, lower latency, and better performance when using accessories like keyboards, headphones, and cloud-based apps. Number 7. USB-C continues. Apple is expected to continue using USB-C, making it easier to connect external SSDs, cameras, monitors, and other accessories without needing extra adapters. Number 8. Better battery efficiency. Even if the battery size remains similar, the new A19 Pro chip should deliver better power efficiency. That means more hours of reading, gaming, video streaming, and note-taking on a single charge. Number 9. Camera improvements. Rather than introducing brand new camera hardware, Apple is expected to improve image processing. Users should see better video calls, clearer document scans, and improved low-light performance. Familiar design. Don't expect a major redesign. According to current leaks, Apple will likely keep the same modern edge-to-edge design because it's already one of the most popular compact tablet designs on the market. Would you buy the iPad mini 8? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe the Upgrade Zone for more verified Apple leaks and tech updates.